Hey you guys, it's LuCinda Carol. I hope you're doing great. So I'm super excited about this video because I always like to show the end result when I put my projects together, and this is one project that I'm so excited about. But if you follow my channel, you know that this week I was working on these onion grass sets, and so everything in this project except for the jute string that I have wrapped around this vase came from Dollar Tree. And so I took my jute string, I hot glued it around my vase. I purchased 4 of the onion grass and I just stuck them around in the vase. And I stuck it with styrofoam because there's some styrofoam in the center that's holding this up. But I have moss grass in the center, and this covering up my styrofoam. And so it looked a little bare, so I went back to Walmart and I picked me up some rocks. So as you can see, I've got some rocks inside there. If you followed my channel, followed my channel during Christmas, you saw that I purchased this tray from Hobby Lobby, and I painted it black because it was wood, and I ended up putting the handles on the ends. But I love the way this project turned out as well, because I actually got to use it at Christmas and I'm using it again this time for Valentine's, and I think it turned out super cute. The rocks that I purchased from Dollar Tree, I filled it up with rocks, and also these little cuties came from Dollar Tree as well. They're I guess moss balls. This is something I actually made myself. I'm saying it's going to be a moss ball as well. But it was a styrofoam ball that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I took the moss and I just hot glued it around the ball, and so I just have that as a decorative piece as well. But I love these candles, and what I like most about it is they're they work with a remote, guys. Ta-da! I love this. So how cute is that? But I actually really do love this project. I did come home last night and I really am beating myself up because I did redecorate my wall. And I really wish I would have done a video before and after, because I'm really liking the way that this turned out. The picture, the old window frames was just something that I purchased off of someone, a good friends of mine. And then the Love Never Fails, I got that at Hobby Lobby. So when I was thinking about bringing this project together, I knew that I wanted to redo my whole wall because I had a collage of pictures up. And I really am kicking myself for not doing a before and after. So I'm going to start trying to be a little bit more on point about doing some before and after videos. But I just wanted to share this with you guys and let you see how cute it turned out. I had nails already on my window frames, so I just stuck those little Valentine hearts on them just to spruce up my living room with some Valentine decor. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. You know, I'm still building my momentum about getting videos out there on some of my projects that I'm doing. But hey, subscribe to my channel, and when you do subscribe, you'll get a notification every time I upload a video. So thank you guys, and I hope that this project inspires you to go out and make you some onion grass decor for your house. Have a great evening, guys. Bye-bye.